Want to create cinematic AI videos for free using Kling AI? In this video, I'll show you how to get free credits, create amazing videos from text or images, and avoid wasting your credits. What is Kling AI? Kling AI is one of the most powerful AI video generators available today. It can turn text prompts and images into realistic videos with smooth motion, cinematic camera movements, and high-quality effects. Step 1. Sign up for free. Go to Kling AI and create a free account using your Google, Apple, or email account. New users receive free credits, and many accounts also get daily credit refills to keep creating videos without paying. Credit availability can vary by plan and region. Step 2. Choose your video mode. Inside the dashboard, click Video Generation. You'll see two main options: text to video. Describe your idea with a prompt. Image to video. Upload a photo and animate it. For beginners, image to video usually gives better results and uses fewer credits. Step 3. Write better prompts. Don't type "a man walking." Instead, type "close-up cinematic shot of a young man walking through a rainy Tokyo street at night, neon lights reflecting on wet roads, slow camera movement, realistic style, 4K." The secret is to describe subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, style. Detailed prompts create better videos and save credits. Step 4. Generate amazing videos. Select your aspect ratio. Use 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Use 16:9 for YouTube videos. Choose the shortest duration first, generate the video, review the results, and only then create longer versions to save credits. Free credit tips. Log in daily to claim available credits. Reuse successful prompts instead of starting from scratch. Generate low-duration previews before creating final videos. Use image to video when possible because it often produces more consistent results. Never use unofficial, unlimited credits tricks. They can violate platform rules and risk your account. That's how you can use Kling AI for free and create amazing AI videos in minutes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to learn Yash, and comment below with the first video idea you're going to create with Kling AI.